Hi everyone. Today I'm here to discuss and share a simple and powerful strategy to find out the best intraday stocks to trade. So we know that the stocks we can trade in three different ways. We can trade in like intraday, which we will trade the stock the same day itself, which means if it's a profit or loss, we will book the profits or losses in the same day itself. And the second one is the swing trades, which we will hold the profits or hold the stocks and we will book the profits like 2 to 3 weeks or 1 month or 6 months like that, small time period. And the third one is the long-term stocks, which are long-term trading, which means stocks we will purchase it for like 10 to 15 years or something like that, hold it for a long time of period. So for the intraday, the main question is from where we will get the best intraday stocks, how we will find out the best intraday stocks. So to solve that question, I have three apps, three apps to find out the best intraday stocks. The first one is the charting. Charting, and maybe some of the guys who know that charting is the one, is a screener which will screen the best momentum stocks for today. So in the charting screener, we will in the screener we will just put the easy intraday setup. The easy intraday setup, we will just type it that in the bar search bar, and for the search, we will get a easy intraday setup best intraday stocks. You see here, this stocks which has been performed today like 20 percentage, 16 percentage, 14 percentage, 13, 13, 12, 11, 10, like that. So these are, this we can include that these are the best intraday, best momentum stocks. So we got the stocks, but we don't know how or we don't know when we need to enter in that one, right? So for example, if we are considering that Bank Overseas Limited, which we have, which the stock has been performed like 19.99 percentage today, almost the upper circuit has been hit. So we don't know from where we need to enter the stock. In the like 9:15 or 9:20 or 9:30, like that, we can get a stocks like 10 percentage, 15 percentage, 12 percentage, 9 percentage momentum stocks can be get it. And these stocks will be performing, outperforming like 15, 20, 25 percentage can be performed. So between, before that, like before like 10 a.m., we will just find out the entry point and we will enter at the shortest time period. So for that, just to refine the stock, if the stock has momentum or if the stock has a good performance, we just want to help, we just want to get a help from the next site. That one is trend line. In the trend line, I will just show you. For example, I will just randomly select one stock, for example Swan Energy Limited, which has been performed 12.34% today. So I will put this Swan Energy Limited. You see here the durability score has been almost performed like 20, 60.0, and momentum score is almost 60, 55.9 only. This one can be considered. The I will consider like, if the momentum and the durability score is good, I will consider like that. So here the momentum score is almost above 50%. That's why I just considering this stock. So this stock has been considered. Then I will consider another. I will check it with another stock, Dani Services, which has been performed 9.18 percentage today. Dani Services. See, Dani Services has a momentum score of 76.6, can be considered today. So that one is the second one. For example, Wonderla Holidays, 7.84% has been performed today. Wonderla Holidays. Wonderla Holidays can be performed here. See, this one, the durability and the momentum score. Durability is almost 55%, can be considered, but I won't. I will just consider the momentum or durability score is above 60% only. So this stock I won't consider. Like that, in the stock list, in the charting stock list, we can refine the stocks according to the durability and the momentum score with the help of trend line. So that one is the step number 2. And the step number 3, which one is the help, with the help of trading view. Normal, our charts we are considering, right? So we will consider with the same like Swan Energy Limited. Swan Energy chart can be opened. Go to 5 minute time frame. In that 5 minute time frame, like today, for morning time, you see the 9:15, the candle has been opened and it has been gone to 6:37, and it take a perfect pullback. The perfect pullback has been maintained by 10, 25, 20, 10, 30, 10, 40 like that. At that time, the volume was also dried up. Just consider the volume too, right? Because we just don't consider the candles only, just consider the volume also to confirm that the volume is also increasing and the momentum is starting to build up. So here the volume has been dried up, and see, like 10:50, the day high has been break with the proper volume. So with the volume, the day has been break and it has been pushed up to the aggressiveness, aggressive highs. We will consider another one, Thani services. That one we already checked with the trend line. Thani services. See, in the Dhani services, 9:20, 9:35, it has been get a pullback. Like 10 o'clock, the pullback has been completed, and after the pullback, the day high has been breaked by 10:10, and it with the volume also. See, the volume is also volume dried up, and the volume was there. So the volume is there. We can enter here. We can set the SL below this last swing. The last swing, this SL has been set confirmed with the SL, and then after that, the Dhani service has been gone shoot up with like 12% or 13% like that. Dhani, how much is it? 9% has been shoot up. We will consider with another one also. Nitiraj Engineers. Just go to trend line to confirm that one is okay or not. Nitiraj Engineers India. See, the durability score is 90 percentage, can be considered. Valuation is also good. So, Nitiraj. Nitiraj by 9:15, what was the perfect shot? Oh, this one is by 9:15 itself is going to the upper circuit. Leave it. We don't have any option to enter that. So, the other one, Sukhjit Scratch. Sukhjit Scratch. Sukhjit Scratch. See, the momentum, the valuation, and the durability score is good. Perfect one. So we will go for that one. Sukhjit Scratch. 9 o'clock, the 9:15, the market has been opened and it's gone to pullback. It's okay. That one is, if you didn't get an entry from here, there is another pullback here. The pullback was occurred by 10:55, and the volume has been dried up. Then the volume push was there. See, the volume has been built up like 10, 11:10, and the day high has been break here. So this is our entry point. Once the day high has been break with the volume, we will enter and we will hold it for the 1:2 or 1:3 risk reward. It's up to you. The risk reward, you need to maintain the capital management. You need to maintain everything. You need to handle according to your loss management. So once the maybe you can consider the lows like below the swing low. You can consider that one, or otherwise you can consider a fixed amount like 1,000 rupees is my loss today. So we can consider the loss amount as 1,000 rupees, and once the 1,000 rupees has been hit, then we will exit the plan, or once the 1,000 rupees benefit has been made, we will book the profits like that. So 1:1, 1:1.5, 1:2 risk rewards you can maintain in this section. So that's all. So this is the simplest and easiest section I just want to share with you. The strategy is that we need to find out the best momentum stocks for today. For that one, we will get the help from the charting, and in the charting, we will go for the search screeners, and in the screeners, we will type the easy intraday setup, and for that, we will search the setup again, and in the setup, we will get some perfect momentum stocks. We need to find out these momentum stocks has proper momentum or not. Just want to confirm that, because we don't get a time to fully packaged fundamental study. We don't have get the time. So we need to simply and quickly we need to assess that this stock has a momentum to get the target or not. That's why we are getting the help from the trend line. So put the get the trend line, and we will put each and every stocks in this search bar, and we will find out this stock has a durability score or a momentum score. Then we will go for the trading view. In the trading view, we will convert the time frame to 5 minutes. In the time frame 5 minutes, we will just wait for a pullback by like 9:45, 10 o'clock like that. We will get a perfect pullback with the volume dry up. Then the volume has been maintained, and this volume, due to this volume and momentum, this stocks pricing will hit the day high, or it will close the day high. That one is our entry point, and we will fix the 1:1 risk reward, and we'll take the profits and exit from that. We know that it's an intraday setup. We need to exit by 3:15 at any cost, if it's a profit or a loss. So this one is the simplest way. Just want to confirm that this one is has momentum, the stocks has momentum or not, that's all. So that one is my personal strategy. I am not compelling anyone to do this one. Just watch it and just study the system and analyze the system for sometimes some days or some months, then confirm that one. If it's maybe you can also get a simplest way to refine the system. Maybe from my side, I add two indicators also to confirm that what the momentum is properly or not. That one I can share it to you later. So from my side, that I have been refined, but from your side, you can just check it out that one is working or not. Then after confirming that the perfect it's perfectly working, then only you can go for a trade. That's from my side. So purely this one is for an educational purpose, not for a recommendation or something like that. So just be prepared and study each and every day and improve yourself, your training setup also. So thank you and thanks a lot for today. We will see in another video. Thank you.